Okay, so for breakfast today, what I am making is I have 3 ounces of my Bob Evans seasoned hash brown potatoes. So 3 ounces is 2 points. I have 2 of my Brown and Serve light original sausage. So 2 of them is 2 points. And I have 2 jumbo scrambled eggs here, which I am just going to pour on and basically like make an omelet. I did spray my grill with a little bit of the Great Value olive oil spray. So I'm just going to let this cook for a moment and then flip it. And this is going to be my delicious 4-point breakfast. So hash browns, sausage, and eggs. I'm not putting any cheese because I kind of overindulged a little bit yesterday with St. Patrick's Day, with the corned beef and the rye bread with the butter. Not too bad, but a little bit. So I just want to, the rest of the week, I just want to do like a 18 or 19 point week, you know, every day. So I'll be showing you today what I'm going to eat in the entire day for about 18 to 19 points. I'm not going to use my full 23. All right, so I'll show you how this looks when I'm done. There you have it. My breakfast is done. 2 of the light banquet sausages, 2 jumbo eggs, and 3 ounces of the Bob Evans seasoned hash browns, all mixed in like an omelet. I did top it with hot sauce because I love hot sauce on my eggs, and some fresh chopped scallion, salt and pepper. And I'll be having my apple. So that is my 4-point, huge, delicious breakfast. Stay tuned for lunch and dinner. Okay, so for my lunch today, I will be having my 0-point chicken burger. I have that on a bed of lettuce, some cherry tomatoes, and my homemade coleslaw that I made. So actually, there's 2 tablespoons of light mayo, which is 3 points in my coleslaw. I will be doing a video on that coleslaw. It is so good. So for my whole entire lunch today, it is only 3 points, and that's for the mayonnaise that is inside the coleslaw. Okay, stay tuned for dinner. So for dinner tonight, I have 1/2 cup of white rice that I packed firmly in my measuring cup and just turned it out onto my plate. I have my Korean chicken meatballs, which are delicious and spicy. So I actually have 6 ounces of that made into meatballs, and a 1/2 cup of the Korean barbecue sauce, which is 0 points. The chicken is 0 points. The carrots are 0 points, and the broccoli is 0 points. So the only thing on my plate, which is points, is my white rice, and that's a 1/2 cup. So my whole entire dinner is only 4 points. I'll show you the 2 snacks that I'm going to have today, and then that's going to be it for my total day. And then also at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I make this delicious Korean barbecue sauce made with the 0-point sugar-free barbecue sauce. I forget the guy's name. I think it's G. Hughley or something like that, but I'll show you the bottle later. Well, actually, I show it in the video when I'm making the sauce, so you'll see it at the end of this video. So that's for my dinner tonight. Stay tuned for the recipe, and I'll show you what snacks I'm going to have. Thank you. My two snacks for today is going to be one bag of the Zesty Ranch veggie straws. I absolutely love them. For the bag, it's 4 points. And then also later on, before bed, after dinner, I am going to have a Built Bar in the coconut, and that is 3 points. So for my snacks today, and I had the apple with breakfast, so my snacks are 7 points for the day. So I made a whole bunch of my 1 ounce little scooped meatballs, my chicken meatball mixture. This is the same mixture that I stuffed my jalapeno poppers with. And I'm just going to cook them until they're done through. And then I will be making the Korean barbecue sauce. Delish. This grill makes so much noise, it's ridiculous. It's quite annoying, actually. Okay, so now that my meatballs are almost cooked, I will be adding 1 cup of the sugar-free G. Hughes original barbecue sauce. So I have 1 cup here. 1 cup is 2 smart points. This is going to make 4 different meals. So I'm just going to charge it 1 point per meal. So in goes my barbecue sauce. Now, in here, from my food processor, I chopped up the 1 scallion and the 1 clove of garlic. So I'm going to put that in. Now, in this mixture here, I have 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1 teaspoon of chopped onion. So I'm going to put that in. And then I am going to add just 2 capfuls of red wine vinegar. So it's probably about a tablespoon, not even 2 teaspoons maybe. And I'm just going to stir this up and let these meatballs cook the rest of the way in this sauce. I mean, I really do like this sauce, but I just want to spice it up a little bit, something different. Nice. So as these cook in the sauce, they're going to get all the flavor from the garlic, the scallion, the ginger, the crushed red pepper flakes, and of course the barbecue sauce and the onion, chopped onions. So I'm going to just put this on simmer, and I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to let it cook for about a good 15-20 minutes. I want some of the steam to come out. That's why I'm covering it with my microwave cover, because I don't want the steam being trapped in there and then it gets too watery. So I'm just going to let this go for about 15 minutes. And I'll show you how I plate it. The meatballs have been cooking for about 15-20 minutes. and it smells so delicious. I cannot wait to plate up these meals and show you what I'll be serving them with. I tasted a little bit of the barbecue sauce. It is so good. It's very tangy. A little bit extra with that vinegar, red wine vinegar, the garlic, and the crushed red peppers. Crushed red pepper flakes add such a delicious heat to it. And then, of course, the barbecue sauce itself is sweet. So you get that heat and the sweet and that vinegar. It's just fabulous. So you can doctor up your sugar-free barbecue sauce and make it taste something amazing. It really is delicious. I'm going to plate up and show you how it looks. So I ended up not charging myself for the barbecue sauce because actually when it came down to it, it wasn't even, it was about 1/4 of a cup, not even a half a cup. So I didn't charge myself for the barbecue sauce. But so this was a 4-point meal with the rice. And I appreciate everybody for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell. And I'm going to get this video up as soon as I can. And then I'll go on my computer and I will add the ingredients to the barbecue sauce. So thanks everybody for watching. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you all soon. Everybody have a blessed day now. Bye-bye.